Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ishani. So today I have a new squishy package from Kawaiisquishy. So I'm not gonna show you this. So there. Okay, so I'm gonna, since I only have 4 of it, so I don't even know the name, so yeah. So the first one is this. I picked the regular one, so let's take a squish. So that's quite squishy. So let's put that aside. And then we have this. This is the tag. Okay. Oh, this is so squishy. So next we have this. This is not squishy as I thought. Okay, so there is one defect. And sorry about the sound, guys, because my dad is watching a movie outside. So there you have it. And the last one is the milk bottle squishy. What the heck? Oh no. Yeah, the milk bottle squishy. So it says this product is in the food, please do not eat it. All the squishies are product and create in KSI warning, super slow rising and quite overload. Ooh. So I picked the pink one. Oh no, there is a defect here. Oh man, how am I gonna give this back? So, oh yeah, and the last one is outside, so I'm gonna take it first. So I got it. So I kind of already opened it. And the tag fell, and the tag is this one. Okay, so let's take a squish. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. So here's the squish of it. Look at that. I'm not gonna play like that. So as I thought, there's a defect in this squishy. I saw it, and there's a defect here. 1 and 1. See? Let's take another squish of it. Stop moving. Oh man. It can't even open. So thank you for watching, guys. So stay tuned for me and my sister doing the vlog in Singapore.
And it's only going to be at the Chinese phone, not in my phone, because the Chinese phone can stand for 31 minutes and my phone only can stand for 15 minutes.
It's 10.
25. Okay, then my phone.
No, leave it later. Maybe it can change. So you could even stay tuned.
Stay tuned on 31st
December. Stay tuned for my sister doing this squishy again, like me. The squishy channel in her phone. So bye, guys.
Love you.
Be nice people.